Hello everyone, in this video we want to solve this geometry question. Solution. In the question we were given that angle BCD equal to 2x plus 40, angle BAD equal to 5x minus 35, angle BED equal to 2y plus 10, angle ADC equal to 40 degrees. And the question says we should find the value of x and y and angle ABC. Angle ABC. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are equal to 180 degrees. That means that angle BCD plus angle BED are equal to 180 degrees. Angle BCD plus angle BED equal to 180 degrees. So let us substitute 2x plus 40 for angle BCD and 2y plus 10 for angle BED. 2x plus 40 plus 2y plus 10 equal to 180. So 40 plus 10 will give us 50. 2x plus 2y plus 50 equal to 180. So let us transpose 50 to the right hand side. We are going to have 2x plus 2y equal to 180 minus 50. So 2x plus 2y equal to 130. So let us divide through by 2. So you can say 2x over 2 plus 2y over 2 equal to 130 over 2. So x plus y equal to 65. Our first equation. Again, let us use angle at the center theorem, which says angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. In this diagram, angle at the center is angle BAD and angle at the circumference is angle BED, because both are standing on arc BD. So we can say, according to the law, angle BAD equal to 2 multiplied by angle BED. So our angle BAD is 5x minus 35 and angle BED is 2y plus 10. So let us substitute them into this equation. 5x minus 35 equal to 2 bracket 2y plus 10. So let us clear the bracket. 5x minus 35 equal to 2 multiplied by 2y. We are going to have 4y plus 2 multiplied by 10 20. Let us rearrange the equation and let us transpose 4y to the left hand side and the positive sign will change to negative, and also let us transpose minus 35 to the right hand side and the negative sign will change to positive. So we are going to have 5x minus 4y equal to 20 plus 35. 5x minus 4y equal to 55. This is our second equation. From our first equation, let us make y the subject of the formula by transposing x to the right hand side. So we are going to have y equal to 65 minus x. Now let us substitute y equal to 65 minus x into this equation. We are going to have 5x minus 4 bracket 65 minus x equal to 55. 5x minus 4 times 65, we are going to get minus 260, minus 4 times minus x, we are going to get plus 4x equal to 55. So let us transpose minus 260 to the right hand side, and 5x plus 4x is going to give us 9x. 9x equal to 55 plus 260. 9x equal to 315. So to determine the value of x, let us divide both sides by 9. Over 9 over 9. X equal to 35. So let us substitute 35 into this equation to find the value of y. Y equal to 65 minus 35. Y equal to 30. So x equal to 35 and y equal to 30. Before we find angle ABC, let us find angle BAD and angle BCD. Angle BAD equal to 5x minus 35, and the value of x is 35. So angle BAD equal to 5 multiplied by 35 minus 35 equal to 5 multiplied by 35 will give us 175. 175 minus 35. So angle BAD equal to 140 degree. Also, let us find angle BCD. Angle BCD equal to 2x plus 40, and x is 35 equal to 2 multiplied by 35 plus 40. 2 multiplied by 35 will give us 70, which is equal to 70 plus 40, and 70 plus 40 will give us 110 degree. So our angle BCD equal to 110 degree. Let us consider this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. An algebraic sum of interior angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So we can say angle ABC plus angle BAD plus angle BCD plus angle ADC equal to 360 degrees. So let us substitute the value of angle BAD and angle BCD and angle ADC into this equation. Angle ABC plus angle BAD 140 degree 140 degree plus 110 degree 110 degree plus angle ADC 40 degree equal to 360 degree. Angle ABC plus, so let us add these angles together. 290 equal to 360 degree. So let us transpose 290 to the right hand side. Angle ABC equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree. So angle ABC equal to 70 degree. Our answers are x equal to 35, y equal to 30, and angle ABC equal to 70 degree. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.